This video is a summary on key feature and service announcements made by Swami Sivasubramanian, the VP of Data and Machine Learning during his keynote presentation at AWS reInvent 2022 on November 30th, 2022. This presentation was focused on data and analytics on AWS and had many new feature announcements. There were four main themes covered related to data analytics, which was tools for everyday workload, performance at scale, removing heavy lifting, and reliability and scalability. So for the theme tools for everyday workloads within Amazon Athena, which is a query interactive service, Amazon Athena for Apache Spark was announced. This feature allows you to start interactive analytics on Apache Spark in just 1 second. According to Swami, Spark clusters spin up 75% faster than other serverless offerings. Swami also brought up the announcement from Amazon the night before about Amazon Redshift integration for Apache Spark is now available. This allows users to run Spark read and write queries directly on the data right in Redshift using EMR, Glue, and SageMaker. The problem this helps solve is not having to move your entire dataset into Spark or manage custom connectors to do this. Under the theme of performance at scale, Amazon Document DB Elastic Cluster was announced. This is a fully managed solution to scale document workloads of virtually any size and scale. You can now elastically scale workloads in minutes and don't have to worry about scaling your instances. The claim that was made here is that this solution will save months of time for building and configuring custom scaling solutions. Under the theme of heavy lifting, Swami announced Amazon SageMaker now supports geospatial ML. This allows users to build, train, and deploy machine learning models using spatial data. This allows us to train models on satellite imagery to, for example, detect land cover changes over time. As someone who comes from a geospatial background, I personally find this announcement really exciting because traditionally you would have to use niche geospatial tools and services to be able to support ML on remote sensing data. Under the final theme of reliability and security, there were many announcements made. To start, within the Redshift service, Multi-AZ for Redshift was announced to be in preview. It guarantees capacity to automatically fail over, and this allows for business continuity without application changes. Trusted language extensions for Postgres was announced to be generally available. This new open source project allows to safely use extensions to add data functionality for your use case without waiting for AWS certification. It has support for popular languages, and developers have to worry less about security impacts of installing these extensions. Amazon GuardDuty RDS protection was announced to be in preview today. This feature uses machine learning to detect suspicious activity and allows for intelligent threat detection by continuously monitoring for potential threats and delivers security findings enriched with contextual data. Within the AWS Glue service, AWS Glue data quality feature was announced to be in preview. This feature is supposed to help build confidence in your data by allowing you to build rules for your datasets and data pipelines so poor quality data doesn't make it into your data lake. It can also support alerts so you can take action on poor quality data entering your data lake. Within AWS Lake Formation, centralized access controls for Redshift data share was announced, which allows access to Redshift to be governed by AWS Lake Formation service. This is now available in preview. Now, Lake Formation Console can be used to grant user access without complex queries. Admins can grant granular and row-level access to their data. Within Amazon SageMaker service, ML governance was made generally available. This introduces 3 new machine learning governance capabilities, including Role Manager, Model Cards, and Model Dashboards. These governance capabilities will help build ML governance within SageMaker. Yesterday, during Adam's speech for end-to-end data governance in AWS, Amazon Data Zone service was announced, and Swami re-mentioned the service in his keynote. Sika Verma, the head of product for Data Zone, did a demo of the service during this presentation. If you're interested to learn more, I strongly suggest you check out the demo. Amazon Redshift Autocopy from S3 was also announced. This simplifies the pipeline process for continuous ingestion from Amazon S3 into Redshift. Ingestion rules are triggered when new files arrive in S3. Within the Amazon AppFlow service, it was announced that Amazon AppFlow now supports over 50 connectors. Some new connectors which were added include Facebook ads, Google ads, LinkedIn ads, to name a few. Finally, SageMaker Data Wrangler now has over 40 data sources to import more data for ML model training. So these features were only what Swami mentioned during his keynote presentation. There was a lot more mentioned during reInvent 2022 related to data and analytics. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for more videos related to working with data on AWS. Thanks again, and see you next time.